Chairman, Your Excellency, the Commissioner for Social Affairs, it's good to see you again. Anytime we have this kind of meeting, you make it a point of duty to come, and we're very happy that you have come. The Director General of Afro-Arab Cultural Institute, Dr. Mohammed Sufi, the Executive Secretary of Akalan, Dr. Lamfa Fadamfa, and the representative of CELTO, Madam Nene Ile. I have had the distinct honor of inaugurating language commissions for modern Arabic, Amharic, and Tamazight today. I do this on behalf of the President of the Assembly of Academicians, Professor Beban Samin Chumbo, and the entire Assembly of Academicians of Akala. I have been impressed by the quality of members that have been put on these language commissions. And this is a sign that we have a good future for these commissions. And we've also listened to them present excellent ideas and action plans for the work they are going to be doing. I only need to add that there is need for them to prioritize the areas in which they will work. You cannot do everything at the same time. You bear in mind the goal of use of these languages in education, in communication, and as working languages. Commissions are not islands. There are other language commissions. So I want to appeal to you to work with other bodies and learn from them. There's no point reinventing the wheel. What has been done before, which has succeeded, you may want to emulate. And also, I will advise that you constantly keep in touch with the Akalan Secretariat so they will know exactly what we are doing. And while Her Excellency is present here, I do want to say that the language commissions are an essential aspect of the work of Akalan. That is why they need to be supported. When the statutes of Akalan were drawn up, the important statement was made that we would have them given seed money for their operations. This has not worked out. So, Your Excellency, I would like to appeal to you on behalf of all the language commissions and the Assembly of Academicians to stress the need for AU financial support for the work of the language commissions. I don't know exactly how we are going to do it, but I know you are capable of doing it.